Now let's look at how you can assign lessons to your class. If you're a curriculum lead or admin, you'll be able to see all the classes. Teachers will only access classes they are given access to. You can access your class once your curriculum lead has set up classes using our wand import tools. Please contact us if this has not yet been done. To assign lessons to your class, click on My Classes using the left-hand side menu. You can then select your class. Here you can view the pupils in your class and their activity within DE. Click on Lessons at the top of this view and select Add Lessons to Class. Once here, you'll be able to choose the curriculum and subject lessons you wish to add. You can add a whole year's worth of lessons to your class at once. Click on a unit to add a unit's worth of lessons to your class, or click into an individual lesson to add just that one lesson. Our auto schedule tool will allow you to choose the first date you wish this to be available by, and it will then do the rest. This means pupils will be able to access the lessons, videos, quizzes and games through the pupil zone once you've taught the lesson. Any lessons created using our AI lesson build tools will also be included in the assigned lessons section. If you want to know more, check out our AI lesson build tool video. Alternatively to this, you'll find an Add to Class button at the top of every lesson. Useful if you add a lesson you're briefly recapping. Pupils will be able to access lessons assigned to them by their teacher through the DE platform in their pupil zone. There's more about how to access the pupil zone in another video. We hope you now have a better understanding of assigning lessons to your class. Select the next video in the playlist here or take a look at our automated lesson build tools.